My name is Rajabi Memar. I'm a clinical mentor at Providence Health. The role as a clinical mentor is basically providing elbow support to whether it's a new nurse, we're going around and we're finding who's the one who's struggling, and they can ask us questions, and we provide one-to-one elbow support. What motivates me? That I want to provide the best possible environment for the patients as well as the new staff or any other nurses who are working in the clinical setting. What makes me excited is I get to see the nurses who've been struggling at the beginning, and a few months later, they actually are more confident to provide the best quality care for our patients.
I believe Ali's career has enhanced the reputation of VCC, as he is an excellent example of a student who has utilized VCC's laddering programs to transition from the LPN program into completion of the BSN program, in which now he has a flourishing career as a registered nurse.
My advice for the students today is don't compare yourself to other people. Everybody has different experiences, coming with different strengths and different weaknesses. Find out what your weakness is, build on it, and remember your strength. Find out the reason you went into nursing. Make sure you sit down and you write down exactly why. It shouldn't be just for money, because you may not last for that long. You want to make sure that there is an actual real reason. You got to dig deep. Ask for help, ask questions, make sure that you do things that make you happy as well too, so you can come back and heal yourself. It's okay if you end up not passing a course. It's not the end of the world. I think the best, strongest person is the person who actually ends up failing and learns from their mistake and comes back 3 times stronger. Make sure that you're hungry for more knowledge. Be curious. When you go into a clinical setting, ask questions. Don't be afraid of other doctors or nurses or any other allied healthcare workers. They can help you answer a lot of questions. Being able to provide good quality health to other people and make them feel better, it gives me goosebumps. And I know as a nurse, you're actually a healer. Thank you, VCC, for acknowledging me in the Career Success Award.